How to download and install Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after you do that, simply launch the Play Store application and search for Instagram just to make sure you have installed and downloaded the updated version of Instagram. So here you can see the option of open, as I've already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open, and here you need to first of all choose your username. So I'm going to select a username over here and then tap on next. Now you can only use letters, numbers, underscores and periods over here. So let us choose, and here are some suggestions. So let's select one of these and then tap on next. And here you can select your accounts over here, and then I'm going to select one of these over here and then tap on continue, then tap on allow and continue, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.